Hello YouTube, my name is Jagger Wolf. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm with
Money Mike _VQ35. Follow the hashtag right there. It's right there. Call him Jaeger because you know Jägermeister. That's some good stuff. Anyway, you can follow also my YouTube page at zlazzy.tuner@gmail. I'll be posting most likely local tow guy events in a secret part in the DMV. Oh my gosh, this person almost hit me with their Tahoe, and of course, it was a female black driver. Legally blind. Not cocker. Rumpelstiltskin.
boy, you better drive.
Oh, it's never bomb's gonna hit the boot lady.
Oh,
I'm sorry, I'm just kidding. Plus 5 points for GTA 5.
oh yeah. Great way to start the vlog.
Yep. I'm putting SoCal sideways on the map. And you don't know how to turn. That's not a limousine. Oh look, he's picking up his little boo thing. Another yes man, but that's okay. Yep, get in the car. All right, anytime. Great job in the 4MATIC CLA 250. I love the smell. Kaya smoke. Kaya smoke. You like Mortal Kombat. Smoke, nigga. And this is what I don't understand about Jeeps. It's like, you guys think you're like Jeeps of like America, like just Jeeping away in multi-purpose lanes. But it's okay, I'm gonna cut you off. You got light, blue, green. I'm pushing it like Vin Diesel. Ah, you freaking truck.
He's terrible. It is so disgusting.
He's terrible.
It is so disgusting.
He's terrible. It is so disgusting. He's terrible. It is so disgusting.
Freaking truck, man. Like in the DMV, I'm gonna say this once and then once for all. People will cock block you for having fun. It's like, oh, if I can have fun, then you can have fun. But yo, this is GTA 5 up in here, right? We do this. As soon as this light turns green, because there's no turning on red, I'm taking it. Just taking it. Taking it. Where should we go to?
Don't know, anywhere.
Oh, look, it's a Jetta. They want to play. Should I smoke them?
Yeah, smoke it.
Goodbye.
Infinity and beyond.
20 minutes later. A few moments later.
Like, you know, with these VQs, they be passing gas sometimes, man. You just gotta fan it out, just passing gas. Hey, you want to do an Instagram?
Oh yeah, if you want to.
Social media, you'll have 10,000 likes with me, bro.
It's snapping over here.
The next day.
Hello YouTube, my name is Jagger Wolf. Welcome back to day 2. Today we're out here at Flagship. But yeah, it's been a while since I came back at Flagship. So Mike is going to give you the rundown of what we're going to do today.
And so, a lot of people like to use basically the car wash products here at Flagship. I'm for it, I'm not against it, but when I do have downtime and there's not a lot of basically traffic in these bays, my preference of choice would be the wash and wax protect from Armor All. You know what? Obviously, my homegirl, Lex Queen Nance, she knows all about it because, you know, she's on top of it with the Lexus. Shout out to you. You know why? Because we're on the West Coast.
Look at this, man. Look like a monkey. I ain't got no bananas for you.
Marks on my car because, you know, in the Marine Corps, the best way to get her done is to get her done. Baby hands, like suburban moms, and their baby's been touching my shit. So we're gonna do a good lather right here. The soap is gonna harm the paint because it's not a lot. I don't believe in that bullshit. Because we'll see how shiny shit comes out. Playboy bubbles smell like bubblicious. My homegirl Caitlin knows all about that. Playboy, you know. Just gotta get in there, you know.
It would be funny if he just drove the car the way it is. I want to see everyone's reaction on the highway and on the streets. Just drive the car like this.
If you dare me, do it. Like my boy over there, you know, Enzo, over there in SoCal, he drives his leg outside his window. I'll do it, you know. I'll give him a shout out too, because he's my boy. Perp gang, everything purple. Purple blurple, because, you know, I'm dark, but I ain't like Wesley Snipes black. So I'm like a blurple. Purple blurple. So for those people who are like watching this right now, if you notice, I put the Perfect Protectant Wash and Wax by McGuire's. Yeah, by McGuire's on it first as a base. I just do that because honestly it actually brings out the luster and shine. Some people disagree. I don't know. I tried it. I have friends over there that do auto detailing all the time. And then I go over with the Soap and Suds. And as you see right now, it already looks a lot more rugged. And I haven't even begun to detail it yet. So when I do detail it, it's gonna pop.
Alright guys, so the soap is off. Now he has to wax and detail it. My phone's gonna die, so
we're gonna switch to my broke ass Android because, you know, I'm not about that Apple gang yet.
to make the switch, get an iPhone.
Yeah, I gotta make the switch. At my job, wanting me to go Apple. Me personally, I like grapes.
That's chip hood.
I don't care if it's chip paint or not. I like chips. I like Doritos. Hell, I like Sun Chips if I want to be suburban.
I like Pringles.
There you go. So, Pringles.
Looking pretty dusty, but clean. Still dusty. It's like, no, it's still clean.
The reason why it's dusty is because even though we went through the first cycle of the wash and the base layer of the McGuire's I put on, me personally, I'm a perfectionist, so I rather come over here, use the McGuire's while it's wash and wax, just to get rid of the dust residue that might have basically accumulated on the black car, because, you know, black car problems, they suck. And, you know, right now we're in the position of tire foam on here, let it sit for about 5 minutes. You gotta keep the lady safe, man. I mean, it's all about being a gentleman, you know. You gotta take pride in what you do, you know. So, I mean, how can you actually accomplish something in life if you don't take pride in what you do? So, now on to the tire foam. It's done. Looks pretty much clean for the most part. All the dust and grime off. Again, perfectionist. We're gonna hit it with a little bit touch after this. Wait about 10-15 minutes. Probably do some bait and let it dry. Let it cure, whatever, and then we'll deal with the wax, because, you know, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. Comes in handy with girls. sponsored yet. Again, after doing the whole entire car wash detail, I like to basically put on a protective layer of wax. Doesn't need to, because we already did like the McGuire's wash and wax. After we actually wash in the bay over there, as you see, all those people, wonderful people, you know, like the American dream, the American way. So again, go to Grits Garage.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
I don't know how to pronounce it, but you know, Griot's Garage. You can find Advanced Auto. It's excellent. They have like 3 types of showcases. You know, they have like the regular one, spray on wax, basically a showcase, and like a premier one. I don't know what the premier one does. Me, black paint. It brings luster. Again, shout out to my homegirl Nancy, Lex Queen Nance, because you know she takes care of her basically Lexus with the same product that I told her about. And again, shout out to Jaeger Wolf. I don't know how you pronounce his freaking name.
It's Jagger.
Okay. Jagger. Sorry there, brother. Hulk Hogan. And yeah, so we're just gonna spray this on real quick. Get back on 495-270. Probably go to Bethesda. Find some snow bunnies. And not give them rides. Because you know why? Because they just want meal tickets. You know? Like Mr. Miyagi. You gotta wax that ass. You know, wax that ass. Kind of like DC Young Fly. Boy, if you don't wax that ass, you just gotta wax that ass, you know? It's not really required because the waterless wash and wax is both. It's a 2-compound solution of basically waterless water and wax. But again, out here in the DMV, the weather is like so freaking weird. Like Edward Scissorhands. Like, you don't know what to expect. Even though I keep a garage, you know, I don't know. You gotta get her to smell good. You gotta get her to taste right. You gotta feel right. You know, to get her done. The Texas way. And I ain't from Texas. Yeah, I actually let's just go to McDonald's and be ratchet and get some fries and ranch.
Yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Hello YouTube, my name is Jagger Wolf and welcome back to another video. Today I'm with
Zelazny Tuner at Here's your camera.
Just keep going, I could cut it. Just keep going, I could cut it. I just cut it.
Okay. That because sometimes when you jizz, I don't know. Actually, take that out.
Hello YouTube, my name is Jagger Wolf. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm with
Fuck.
Dang, man.
Don't want to line up. I'm not trying to sell Gap insurance. I'm trying to sell Pornhub DP insurance. Line up, dude.
Most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I want.